Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use a Samsung Gear VR headset with any phone. First, do not plug your phone into the headset connector. The Gear VR was designed to work only with certain Samsung devices, and connecting it will trigger software that may not work on your phone. So instead, skip the connection completely and keep your phone separate from the port. Next, place your phone into the headset manually. Open the front cover and position your phone inside the cradle so it sits centered in front of the lenses. If the connector gets in the way, you can flip your phone upside down. Make sure the screen is aligned properly. If your phone feels loose, you can use a small piece of tape or padding to hold it in place. Before putting the headset on, open a VR app on your phone. You can use apps like YouTube VR or any Google Cardboard app. These apps are designed to split the screen into two images, which is what creates the virtual reality effect. Now put the headset on. Since the built-in touchpad and buttons will not work, you will need a Bluetooth VR controller. Connect it to your phone and use it to move through menus, select videos, and control playback. There are some important limitations to understand. You will not be able to access the Oculus Store or official Gear VR apps. The headset sensors will not function, so tracking depends only on your phone, which may be less accurate. You may also need to adjust settings inside apps to fix lens distortion. Thanks for watching.